This elephant herd is bunched together. There are wild dogs around. Although the pups are no threat at all, the herd is protective of their tiny newborn calf that could still be vulnerable to the adults of the pack. The dogs seem reluctant to move away and hang around just a little too close for comfort. The elephants chase them away. Soon enough, the adults focus on a different target, something easier to hunt down. And while the impalas now fear for their lives, the elephant herd swiftly moves to safety.